Hello, my name is Connor Clevenger, and this is my video research on gaming disorder. Now to get into the background. In 2018, the World Health Organization classified gaming disorder in their International Classification of Diseases. They decided to classify the condition after reviewing, researching, and consulting with experts. They claim this classification will result in an increased focus on gaming disorder, its prevention and treatment. Um, Going more into medical background, it shares a lot of similarities with internet gaming disorder and addictions. Now, if we look at current evidence and sort of current things that we can follow and see as to why they might have done this, we can see that the decision of the inclusion of gaming disorder in the ICD-11 is based on the reviews of available evidence and reflects a consensus of experts from different disciplines and geological regions that were involved in the process of technical consultations undertaken by the World Health Organization in the process of ICD-11 development. This wasn't just one person deciding we should do this. This was a big group effort with a lot of dignified and properly qualified people making this decision. Now, the inclusion of gaming disorder in the ICD-11 follows the development of treatment programs for people with health conditions identical to those characteristics of gaming disorder in many parts of the world. It will result in the increased attention of health professionals to the risk of development of this disorder and accordingly to relevant prevention and treatment measures. They're hoping by um, officially recognizing the disorder and classifying it, that it can lead to increased awareness of it and developments in how to treat it and deal with it. Now to get into implications of this, implications of gaming disorder as a whole. Now we can kind of identify it as someone lacking the control over their gaming habits. Someone who no longer has control of deciding when they want to play games. They always kind of want to. They kind of lose that control of saying, I can't right now. Meaning they kind of prioritize this gaming over other interests and activities, such as their job or hanging and spending time with friends and family. And instead, they're prioritizing this gaming. Um, and they might even recognize the negative consequences, and still they're going to continue gaming because of its addictive hold on them. This down the line can lead to problems such as anxiety, gaming addiction, which is kind of at the root of this whole issue, and depression, even high levels of stress. Um, for a diagnosis, these behaviors must be so severe that they kind of affect a person's family life, social life, personal life, education, and work. Basically, meaning like this is when like it's really seen as an issue when it's affecting their life and their kind of their livelihood. Like it reaches past just minor infractions and problems, and it becomes a larger overall thing. Here are my citations. Thank you very much.